right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the cars. This has been Welcome guys to another video. As you can see in the background, we are working on my STI. The same process that I did on the DC5, which was the paint correction and the ceramic coating. Now we're doing it to the STI, something that I've been waiting to do since I purchased the car. The time has come. I'm so excited to get this process done because the factory paint definitely needed a lot of love. The factory paint never came with a wax on it, and it was very swirly. It didn't have too much pop, even though in pictures it looks great. But you know, this process is definitely gonna make that blue pop and be super vivid. You saw in the previous clips, you saw that the whole process so far. Right now they're just drying it. After that, we're going to jump into the more detailed part, which is taking the wheels off and so on. We're here at Alpha Detailing. These guys are awesome, as you've seen before on my DC5 video. You guys absolutely love that video, over thousands of views so far. If you haven't seen it yet, I definitely recommend it. This process is pretty universal. It doesn't have to be STI specific or any brand specific. It's more about the paint itself. You can get it done to a brand new car or even to a 10-year-old car. So far, what we have done to this car, it's just wash it the proper way, of course. These guys are super professional. I mean, we have different buckets, brushes for the wheels, pretty cool stuff, and high-end soaps and whatnot. They specialize in many services, so if you're interested, definitely check them out. I'll leave all the links on the description. That's their information right there.
Touch the ball, it's over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I crouched you out with no apologies. I am the hope, the heart, the faith, the spark, the one who will fulfill the prophecy. I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back. Step in the ring, about you step back. They'll learn hot when I get on the track. I like it louder than most, watching all these sheep just bow down to the goat. If I can't decide, I'ma probably get both. We don't celebrate, but right now I'm a toast, resurrected ghost. Outside, outside, looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine when I shine.
So we went ahead and took all the wheels off the car because we're going to ceramic coat them, and also we are going to ceramic coat the calipers, and it's gonna stay clean for the most part. So yeah, let's keep on moving.
We can take this outside, outside. Hey. Looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. Yeah. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. Nah. Every single level that I reach and I climb. They ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Nah. With my team on, they gon' shine, I shine. Yeah, we can take this. Buckle up, boy, if you bad it then double up. Remember your team when you hustle up. Don't make a move till you huddle up. I'm coming up, fuck is up. Looking for trouble then knuckle up. I see through all of your cover-ups. You think that you gonna set me up? Good luck, break it down. Who at the top, I'ma bring them down. I will not stop till you laying down. Till I'm at the top and I'm gazing down. Shit ain't been the same since we came around. Since we became kings and became renowned. Since all of the truth started raining down. If you want that double.
And we got the car all taped up. We taped up all the crevices, all the lines that the compound could possibly get stuck on. We did this all over the car, all the COs, all the plastics, especially here, up here, just everywhere really. The headlights. I kind of like this look, guys. What do you think? Should I just rock that? Just kidding. So now the next step is polishing the paint.
Ain't gonna let nobody turn it round, turn it round, turn it round. Ain't gonna let nobody.
I said, Lordy, they still call, not picking up. I switch phones like I switch shorties, different bros on different months. Seen that y'all made up a story when they asked about where y'all from. I'm still drawing down them 40s, bitch, that's all day, all day, all day.
Just to interrupt the STI content a little bit, we have a RSX in the house. This is my friend Josh. Yo, I'm gonna put your Instagram on the screen. He has so much plans for it. So, but she's a beautiful stock, unmolested Type S with, guess what? The Q300 exhaust. What are the plans for it, man?
Yeah.
Mugen? All right.
Rear lip, the side skirts, A-spec front, and a Mugen spoiler, lower about 1.5 inches.
There you go.
And put in the blue recovery.
Ooh, he knows what's up. The car is not done yet, believe it or not, but it looks finished, but we still have to put the ceramic coating on it. You can see the reflection of the lights, no swirls or anything. I absolutely love this. What's up, guys? So cool. Next is the ceramic coating, and then after that it should be 100%. Check that out. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot believe how mint everything looks. Even the lug nuts are detailed. They were black before. Literally, they were dark, just caked in, brake dust. Everything was ceramic coated, besides the tires. But They just have dressing on it. They don't use anything off the shelf. Everything's imported. Even the towels that they use, everything's imported. Awesome stuff. The Brembo calipers back there, they pop. They're all covered in ceramic coating. Even my tail lights, everything. It looks like exactly how it came off the showroom. Or even better, of course. Alright guys, so what do you think? I mean, this car looks so good now. I cannot believe how beautiful that color looks, and it pops. This process took over 10 hours. It's actually 10 at night. We started at 12 o'clock. It takes a long time to get a car like this, even when it's new and the paint is just, you know, it doesn't really need that many stages to get it up to standard. Every single step just takes so long, but at the end of the day, it just looks like this. I cannot believe that's my car, to be honest with you. I'm so excited to take it in the sunlight because these kind of lights don't really give it justice. You can only see a little bit of reflection. Actually, let me show you how it looks. Look at that. You see that? You don't see any distortion in the light. The blue just pops all the way across everything. I'm gonna leave all the links below of the services that I got here and Alpha Detailing. Make sure you guys hit up their website. If you're in the tri-state area, make sure you check them out. Give them a call. If you want to get ready for a show or anything, they got you covered. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.
Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. I'm making sure they know me now, know me now, know me now. And I pray they never forget me. Ain't made it because they let me, made a lane and I played the game. I couldn't stay the same, I had to change up. Hit my change up before I lost my brain. Belly of the beast, no peace. Think I need a breeze. Somebody pray for me cause my sanity is out of reach. Going insane, I see me taking over the game. Could tell it's up in my brain, but I hear them yelling my name like. And I don't need the limelight, do it on my own. I do me, I bet I shine bright. On my headlight flow, double red lights go. We just headed to the tippy, whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn it, I'm killing, I'm amped. Then I slam it, alley, one handed, big bandit. I feel like the champion, oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Y'all lamp, and I'm killing, I'm amped. Then I slam it, alley, one handed, big bandit. I feel like the champion, oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Feeling like a champ. The champions never settle. I need a trophy and medal to my name. Moving lanes, my foot be on the pedal. Get ahead, movement change. It's only cause I let you, homie. All I